Good morning, everyone. I literally like just woke up like 5 minutes ago, like probably even 4 minutes. Just put on a jumper and some jeans. I'm gonna get my eyebrows threaded and microdermabrasion. Look at my skin. Oh my god. I like went on a picking spree last night. It actually has cleared up a lot, just not down here. Okay, what is wrong here? I have some exciting stuff this week happening. Peter's coming on Tuesday. Oh my god, so excited. I haven't seen him in 7 weeks. Like literally it's been 7 weeks since I've been in Perth. Like that is just crazy. So yeah, we're gonna go to Sydney this weekend because he's never been to Sydney. I know, I was like, you need help. And then the following weekend we've got Splendor, so that should be fun. Other than that, we're just gonna chill. I've pre-filmed a bookload of videos for you guys, so I don't really have to be filming as much when he's here because I want to spend as much time with him as possible. If you guys don't know, my boyfriend lives in Perth. I met him overseas last year, so we're doing the whole long distance thing. I'm gonna go have a coffee. I've just been actually starting to make bulletproof coffees, so I'm actually going to show you guys because I wasn't really like, I don't know, keen on that idea of putting like butter and freaking coconut oil and shit in coffees. So yeah, I've kind of like liked it because it makes me fuller up until my first meal. I use this almond milk. It's so good. And I just put it in my Nespresso thing. Heat it up. Then I just take a mug. So I put in some butter. I put like this much butter. And I'm gonna put some coconut oil in as well. Probably put like that much. That's the microwave for 30 seconds. It should be all melted, like the butter and the... Okay, you can't even see that at all. But it's all melted in there. So I'm just gonna add like half of this into it, just to like mix that all together. Then put some coffee in, just 1 teaspoon. Put the rest of this in. Mix it all up. Also, what I forgot to mention is I have 2 tablespoons of this in water every day just to try it out. It's apple cider vinegar. It fucking tastes rank. So gross. Ugh, I can't even do it. Here's my bulletproof coffee. So good. Obsessed.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now.
I'm off to go get a spray tan. My skin is super inflamed from my microdermabrasion, but that is normal. I'm so excited to be tanned. I feel so pale. I literally haven't seen the sun in weeks because it's winter. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm freshly tanned. Good morning guys, it's Tuesday and oh my god, I'm so excited because I get to pick Peter up from the airport. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I've got so much to do today though. I'm going to get my hair extensions pushed up. I need to film a video, I need to edit a video, I need to check my PO box, I need to go to mum's to get stuff. So I've got a really busy day ahead, but I will try my best to film when I like pick him up and see him for like the first time. If not, like I'm sure you guys will see him in my like this week's vlog. He's a bit camera shy, but like I'll try. My skin, I woke up this morning, it is like glowing from my micro. Like I'm like obsessed with how my skin looks at the moment. I still have a few like bumps around here, but like all up. My skin like feels and looks amazing. I'm so happy. So yeah, I'm gonna go and film some videos for you guys and take you around with me for the rest of the day. So I'm off to Emily Hadgel Hair Extensions to go and get my maintenance for my extensions. So every like 6 to 7 weeks they recommend coming into the salon, getting your hair washed and your extensions pushed up. So they'll remove them, wash my hair and then re-put them back in. So I will make sure I film some of that for you guys. And then I'll have to go to the shops and do some shopping. I think I need to go fix my nail because I literally just jarred it in the door. It hurt so much. So yeah, that's all I really have planned for today. And then tonight, picking up the bay. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later on. Hey guys, so I just got back from Emily Hadgel Hair Extensions. I got my old extensions taken out. They washed my hair and then put them back in, like, and lifted them up because they'd obviously grown out. But I am so obsessed. I'm off to edit some videos and then in 4 hours I'm gonna be on my way to Brisbane Airport to pick up Peter. I'm so excited. Probably won't get home till like 1 AM. So tomorrow we're probably just gonna go out for a nice breakfast or lunch and just catch up because I haven't seen him in so long. I'm so excited. Okay, I'll speak to you guys later or tomorrow. Hey guys, I'm almost there. Just turning off to go to the domestic airport. I feel like I'm in the wrong place. Domestic terminal. Oh, Brisbane is so confusing. Okay. Look who it is. We're at, where are we? What's it called? Lee Cafe. It's like a French inspired cafe. So I got scrambled eggs with cheese, tomato, spinach, bacon and avo. And what did you get? Duck on toast with mushroom
and egg and some soup.
Hey guys, so it is now, I'm trying to like find something to, that's not gonna work. But it is is it Thursday today? Yeah, it's Thursday today. Sorry I haven't vlogged much since Peter's been here. We've just been like obviously catching up because we haven't seen each other in so long. It's just been so nice to just like catch up with him like without having to vlog and everything like that. But he's at the gym now, so that's why I have a chance to vlog. I'm having my lunch slash breakfast. It's like 12:30. We woke up a little bit late. We're checking into the Islander in Surfers, which is just like a really pretty like boutique hotel. So we're just spending the night there. Then tomorrow night we're going to the Infamous Cabaret show here on the Gold Coast, so that should be fun. And then Saturday I have makeup for a wedding to do and then we're off to Sydney. I'm so excited. He's never been to Sydney, so yeah, I'm just keen to like show him around and go to some really cool like bars and shop. Oh, I'm just so excited to just escape the Gold Coast for a bit. Love the Gold Coast, but Sydney is amazing to visit. So I will take you guys along with us when we go to the Islander and everything else we get up to. So we just arrived to the island in Surfers Paradise. So pretty. That's the pool. And that's the beach right there. That's what I look like. The sun is so bright. We're gonna go for a walk along the beach and then have dinner here at the hotel. Yum! Hi. Like the...
Hello.
Hey guys, so we're just about to check out of the Islander. Gonna go have some breakfast. And then tonight we're actually going to a cabaret show called Infamous or Infamous. So that should be cool. I'll try and vlog if I'm allowed to, and then tomorrow I have a wedding to do and then we're off to Sydney for the weekend. I'm so excited. We're gonna stay at some amazing places, so I can't wait to show you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go pack and I'll talk to you guys later.
Oh my god, swipe up for my video. Should be on like next couple hours. Jasmine XO.
to Bondi. So we just checked into the Pullman and this is our amazing room. Kitchen. Living area, TV. Oh my god, what a view. And the harbour bridge is literally right there. Oh my god, it's amazing. So excited. This is the bedroom. And then a bathroom. Oh. Hi. We're at the Opera House and Harbour Bridge. Taking some pics before we go to Luna Park, which is right there. So pretty. I'm gonna take my photo now. Go on.
We went on that boat. Just slip out. Freezing.
Why didn't you bring a jumper?
Let's go.
Oh my god. We're on a roller coaster. It's really tight. Wait, where's my bag? Oh my god. Oh my god. I feel like I'm like knocking you out. Scary.
Oh, it actually is.
What the hell? Like, oh no, oh no, oh no. Brace yourself, it says. Oh my god! Oh my god, yum. What's this? Cuteness. Dear Miss Hand, welcome to the Pullman Playground. Hey guys, so I'm just on the balcony at our hotel and that is the view. How amazing is it? The city at night is so beautiful. So today we went to Luna Park. It was amazing. I'm actually like scared I'm gonna drop my camera. Tomorrow we're going home, but we're having lunch at, I can't pronounce it, Hacinda restaurant, which is below our room here at the hotel. So we're gonna go have lunch there tomorrow. We're just gonna go have dinner along the harbour, I think, tonight, and just catch up with a few friends. But Sydney's been amazing. I come here like a couple times a year. So yeah, we're off to go and have some dinner now, and I'll talk to you guys later. This is our breakfast. Hey guys, so we're now back here on the Gold Coast. I just went and got my hair done for Splendor. I'm so happy with it. Hope you guys enjoyed my weekly vlog. Don't forget to like if you did, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.